Hey everyone, welcome to my backspace. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to copy an entire page in Microsoft Word, including the header, footer, formatting, table, layout, and all content with just a few simple steps. You ever tried copying text but noticed the header and footer did not transfer? Don't worry. This video will show you the correct method to duplicate a page exactly as it is. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. We can see here a document and including many text, header and footer as a page number. Now I want to copy the whole document on one click. You can using shortcut key, otherwise you can use manually. Now I'm using the shortcut key. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, then press Ctrl C to copy the whole document, as otherwise you can copy to this copy icon. Now I go back the file menu and select the new option and create a blank document, otherwise you can open your document anytime. Now I paste the whole document at once. You can press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste, otherwise you can using this paste icon or this paste icon. Now we go top and we can see here not added the header and footer. Now I add the header and footer manually because here not available this option. Go back the previous document, then double click on the header and copy the header, then go back the second document. Now I am double click on my header option, then paste it, press Ctrl V, then go to last and go to the insert menu, select this page number and make it bottom, then double click on main page. We can see we added header and footer. It's already copying. Now you following this process, I hope you can copy whole page in Word including header and footer easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my channel to get the next important video very soon. Thanks for watching.